My video will help you to get rid of the adware type application which is called TrackAnalyser. So, TrackAnalyser is a special adware type program. It attacks many Mac computers today. TrackAnalyser is a special adware that shows a lot of advertisements that are not related to the sites that you visit. TrackAnalyser adware may periodically display intrusive pop-ups, banners, deals, coupons, and other forms of intrusive ads. Also, it may periodically redirect you to many other shady and truly deceptive pages in the internet. Therefore, if you have noticed this TrackAnalyser to be the part of your computer, the only correct conclusion is to get rid of it. Access your applications, find this TrackAnalyser, right-click on it, and move it to the trash. If you see any other suspicious programs here, get rid of them too. I also recommend that you thoroughly research this system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. By the way, the best place where you can get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and start researching your system with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.